Hey everybody, welcome back to Hennessey Performance. I am Bradley, one of your high performance consultants, and today we're going to be showing you the Escalade-V and the Escalade-V ESV. Greatest thing is, Hennessey can put the H1000 package on both, and they do come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. This Escalade-V and Escalade-V ESV both come with the executive package. The ESV does have a little bit of a longer wheelbase, giving you more legroom and more trunk space. Check them out.